Hi guys, today I'm going to be helping you fix a problem that you may have been finding. I know it sometimes can be frustrating for me. When you open up an InDesign document, a lot of times there's default type that comes up. For instance, Minion Pro is usually what comes up. And sometimes you want that to be a different font for your documents, but every time you make a text box, surprise, surprise, it comes up as Minion Pro. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix that. So when you open up your InDesign document, you have this make a layout space here. It's kind of the default. First thing you want to do is to go up to your preferences, general, and there's a little checkbox right up here that says show start workspace. So you'll uncheck that, click OK, and then you just have your workspace here. So now this is the trick. When you have this workspace open with no document here, you'll come up to here, it's where it says Minion Pro, and for me, I am just going to put in, let's see, I'll do Gotham book. Let's do 10 point, and there you have it. So now what will happen if I open up a new document? Let's just do that. New document here. Give it a second, it's thinking. If you open up a new document and create a text box, you'll be able to have that text box automatically want to populate with this Gotham book font. So let's come over here, letter, create. So now when I create a text box and pull it down and fill it, it'll be filling with Gotham book. Now this won't be retroactive to other documents that you've made in the past. This is kind of like from now on. It'll be changed like this. But the nice thing is, and I won't show it to you here because it'll take too much time, but if you are to close InDesign from here on out, close it and open it back up, every document you create from here on out will be populated with that Gotham bold, or that Gotham book from here on out. Now the thing is, if you're in your document and you want to change what your default is without having to do the style sheet in the very beginning, but you already have this Gotham book set up, what you do is you deselect any text box that you're in, come over here to your text, and change it. So let's see what I have here. Let's do Brandon Grotesque, medium. And so now every text box that I make will be filled with Brandon Grotesque for this document. But when I go to exit out of here, when I open up InDesign again, these will all fill back with my Gotham. So hopefully that helps and is a helpful tip for you. Thank you.